Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a stylish and amazing crochet bottle covers designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the ideas, all the beautiful pattern ideas. So please watch this video till end without skip. Get ready to create a personalized and eco-friendly accessories for your favorite bottle. Hope so you like this video and different pattern ideas. So let's get started. To start, we will be using a yarn and a hook. Next, we will dive into a pattern which add a touch of elegance and styles. Make sure to customize your bottle cover with the help of crochet work different accessories. For a customized look, try adding some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, crochet work, flowers, stones, and many different accessories you use and decor your bottle covers easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely crochet baby bottle cover is complete, ready to use, ready to gift for your lovely ones. These all the bottle covers are useful and for your drinks, warm and useful for your gym bottles. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. I will upload a full detailed video for you. I will upload a full DIY tutorial for you. So please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial videos and pattern ideas. If you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite design and customize your bottle cover easily. If you want to make this all the design easily, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. And please like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and other. You share this video with your crochet work expert and customize your bottle cover easily. If you want to see more ideas, more detailed patterns ideas, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to see more ideas like crochet work baby frocks design, crochet work baby booties, crochet work cardigans, ladies bags, ladies crop top, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload a full detailed video for you. Crochet bottle cover cozy with button crochet DIY tutorial if you want to see, so please tell me in comment section. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay viewers, bye bye.